I recently purchased the Visage award-winning teeth whitening pen, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed with the results. This teeth whitening kit truly lives up to its reputation as a professional-grade product. First and foremost, I appreciate the convenience of having 2 pens in one package. This means I have a backup pen for future use, ensuring that my teeth whitening routine remains uninterrupted. Each pen provides over 20 uses, which is more than enough to achieve noticeable results. One of the standout features of this teeth whitening pen is its professionally formulated gel. The gel is gentle on teeth, minimizing sensitivity during and after the whitening process. As someone with slightly sensitive teeth, I was relieved to find that this product did not cause any discomfort or irritation. The application process is straightforward and hassle-free. The pen's design allows for precise and controlled application, ensuring that the gel reaches all areas of the teeth evenly. The mint flavor adds a refreshing touch, making the experience more pleasant. Now, let's talk about the results. After using the Visage teeth whitening pen for a few weeks, I noticed a significant improvement in the color of my teeth. They became noticeably whiter, and the stains from coffee and tea were visibly reduced. I received compliments from friends and family, which further validated the effectiveness of this product. Furthermore, the whitening effects have lasted longer than I expected. With regular use and proper oral hygiene, the results have remained consistent, giving me the confidence to smile freely. In conclusion, the Visage award-winning teeth whitening pen is a top-notch teeth whitening kit that delivers impressive results. Its professionally formulated gel, low sensitivity, and mint flavor make it a pleasure to use. If you're looking for a reliable and effective teeth whitening solution, I highly recommend giving this product a try.